Good day everyone. Thank you for joining. Today, we will be discussing the late coming and leave management module in the Livinnza Hostel Management Platform. This module is very important as it helps track student movement, ensures safety, maintains discipline, and provides visibility to parents. Let us begin. This module helps wardens manage situations where students go out of the hostel or return late. Students or parents can raise requests through the application. These requests will come to the warden for approval or rejection. The objective is to ensure that every student movement is properly tracked, monitored, and approved. A leave request is raised when a student wants to temporarily go out of the hostel. This could be for going home, visiting relatives, or any personal reason. A late coming request is raised when a student expects to return after the allowed time or curfew. In both cases, approval from the warden is mandatory before it is considered valid. The request is initiated by the student or the parent through their login. Once submitted, the request will appear in the warden dashboard. The warden can review the request details such as date, time, and reason. Based on this, the warden can approve or reject the request and also add remarks if required. Once action is taken, notifications are sent to both students and parents through the application. Wardens can view all requests along with their status such as pending, approved, rejected, or not returned. Each request will contain details like planned start and end dates, expected arrival time, and reason. In addition to approval, wardens must also track the actual movement of students. When the student leaves the hostel, the warden should record the actual leave start date and time. When the student returns, the warden should record the actual return date and time. If there is any difference between the planned and actual timings, the system will capture the variance. If the student does not return within the approved time, the status will be shown as not returned. Any such deviations will also be notified to parents, ensuring complete transparency and accountability. It is important to ensure that leave requests are approved before marking attendance. Approved leave and late coming requests will automatically reflect in the attendance module and guide the warden while marking attendance. Late coming should only be allowed with proper approval. Wardens may also follow internal verification processes, such as confirming with parents before approving requests. Overall, this module ensures proper student tracking, safety, discipline, accountability, and effective communication with parents. Now let us take a look at how the late coming and leave management module works in the Livinnza platform. First, from the warden dashboard, navigate to the leave request module. Once you open it, you will see a list of all leave requests. At the top, you will see a summary section showing total requests approved, open, rejected, not returned. This gives you a quick overview of all leave activity. Now, let us review a leave request. Each request will show student name from and to date's reason for leave. Click on any request to view details. You can now approve the request, reject the request, add remarks if required. Once a leave request is approved, it is based on planned start and end dates. However, the actual process does not stop here. Now, when the student actually leaves the hostel, the warden must update the actual leave start date and time. Similarly, when the student returns back to the hostel, the warden should update the actual return date and time. This helps in tracking whether the student left on time, whether the student returned on time, any deviations from the approved schedule. If the student does not return within the approved time, the system will show the status as not returned. Any variance between planned and actual timings will be recorded and notified to parents through the application. This ensures complete transparency and accountability. Now, let us move to the late coming module. Here, you will see requests where students have informed that they will be returning late. Each request includes expected arrival time, date, reason. Wardens can review and approve, reject. It is important to note, late coming should only be allowed with approval. Wardens may also verify such requests through internal processes like confirming with parents. Also, once leave or late coming is approved, it will be visible during attendance marking, helping wardens take correct decisions. Notifications are sent to both students and parents through the application for every action taken. Overall, this module helps wardens Control student movement, ensure safe to maintain discipline, improve communication with parents. This completes the live demo of the late coming and leave management module.